This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Tina Mabry. First time on the market. The country life is waiting for you to make this Don Gardner custom design your own homestead. Situated on 10 wooded acres, this low-maintenance hardy-sided, metal-roofed home has been well cared for and offers lots of options for any family. Easy main level entry features beautifully upgraded kitchen west/granite and breakfast area, tiled floors, wet bar and office. Lower level has spacious den, second mini kitchen for in-laws, teen, entertainment space west/separate entrance and driveway access. Auto transfer 22 kW generator for worry-free inclement weather days and 20 by 30 storage building, garage for ATVs, tinkering, and tools. Covered front and comfy back porches private for relaxing or grilling. Only 1.5 miles to jump on Highway 515 to Jasper or Ellijay for shopping and dining. For more information